Hello everyone. Let's talk about upgrading your Dell XPS or Alienware Aurora's power supply. Specifically, we're looking at the TEPU HU460AM-01, a 460-watt unit designed as a compatible replacement for several Dell models, including the XPS 8930, 8920, 8910, 8900, 8700, and even some Alienware Aurora R5, R6, and R7 systems. If you're experiencing power issues or planning to upgrade your graphics card and need more juice, this could be a solid option. The HU460AM-01 is built to replace a range of Dell power supply models, such as the DPS 460DB, 15, AC460AM-01, WI7XX, WC1T4, D460AM-03, and L350AM-00. That compatibility list is extensive, which is a definite plus. The TEPU HU460AM-01 power supply is presented as a reliable source of lasting energy for your computer. It is compatible with a wide range of Dell XPS and Alienware Aurora models, including the XPS 8930, 8920, 8910, 8900, 8700, 8500, 8300, 8100, 8000, and Alienware Aurora R5, R6, and R7. This broad compatibility makes it a versatile option for users looking to upgrade or replace their existing power supply. The power supply is rated at 460 watts and features an ATX connector type, making it suitable for standard desktop configurations. Its air cooling method ensures efficient heat dissipation, maintaining optimal performance even under heavy loads. The TEPU HU460AM-01 is designed to provide stable and consistent power, ensuring the smooth operation of your computer and its components. When choosing a power supply, compatibility is key. The HU460AM-01 aims to take the guesswork out of the equation, offering a direct replacement for numerous Dell systems. If you're not sure whether it fits your specific model, double-check the part numbers listed to ensure a match. Getting the right power supply can extend the life of your computer and improve its overall performance.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.